You can also use line graphs to compare two different data series. Here we've got 2023 monthly water consumption and 2024 monthly water consumption. And what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the entire series, the months, so that we have our x-axis labels and both individual data columns. I've shown you that you can go up and insert chart, but Google Sheets has this other little shortcut right here. So we'll use that too, just so you see what happens. And it defaults to essentially like a scatter plot. We can head up, chart type, turn it into lines. And that gives you a sense as to how the 2023 water consumption stacks up against the 2024 water consumption. Maybe we get a sense that the 2024 water consumption is a little bit more erratic. It dips lower. Maybe on average, there's a little bit less water consumed in total, but it moves around more. So that is how you did it. And it was really just coming down to highlighting everything and then creating a chart based on all the data.